express his frustration. These are the things we could utilize for incorporating the humor. Surround humor file. This is very important. If any of you are preparing for the humorous contest, keep a pencil and paper always with you. Whenever you find a humor or joke, write it down and feed into your computer. It will help you. If you have 100 such incidents, maybe 2 or 3 you can utilize for the next humorous piece. That is very important. Internet and job books. You know, lot of sites are available, which from where we can get humor. But why I put at the last, as a last thing is that there is a risk while using the internet jokes and from the joke books, because many of them should be known to everybody and it might have been widely circulated through emails or through other media. So what happens is, if we deliver those jokes, it may not click. It will be very familiar. We have to be very careful. Another thing we can do on that is, while using internet jokes, try to personalize in such a way that it happened to you or it happened to some of your colleagues. Next is, first one question was, where is the humor? The next question, important question which will strike our mind is, how to incorporate humor during the speeches. During every humorous speeches, while we draft, we can find that there will be 5 or 6 or 10 humorous sentences in that whole script. We need to incorporate that much humor. The humorous sentence is called punchline. Before we deliver that punchline, we need to have a short pause. This is to prepare ourselves and the audience to be ready for the joke. Punchline is the main sentence where the humor is there. For example, the one which I narrated earlier, I want to see more animals. This is the punchline. Here itself, the punch word is more. From practice only we will know that what is the punch word and punchline and punch word. After delivering the punchline, we need to pause again. Why that pause is, we need to wait for the audience response. There will be applauses or laughs from the crowd. So we need to be prepared for that. There is no point we continue just after delivering the punchline, so that people will not be knowing, because there will be claps from the audience. So we need to wait. Body language is very important. Also voice modulation. If we are mimicking somebody else, if we are using the mannerisms of our wife, husband or kids, we need to effectively use voice modulation and body language. Visual aids. Visual aids will help convey the humor effectively to the audience. If I am telling you that I am a miser, I could show an object like this. This is the comb I am having sentimental attachment. This is the same white comb my grandfather was using. The beauty with this comb is that its wider teeth helps prevent hair fall. And the accumulated dirt prevents graying of hair. This way you can take any object. The only thing is you have to utilize your humor sense. Every one of us is having humor sense. We need to use it in a proper manner according to the circumstance. Excitement, suspense, twist and surprise. These are also very important. If we succeed to bring the audience to the edge of their seats, you can be made sure that you did an excellent humorous speech. Twist should be there, suspense should be there, excitement should be there. Anecdotes, proverbs, biograms. These are all also areas wherein humors can be incorporated. Anecdotes are.
What is a biogram?
I will come to it. Anecdotes are, as you know, famous stories or incidents. Proverbs. A lot of proverbs are there. We can modify it such a way that humor is injected. We all know that an apple a day keeps doctor away. But an onion a day keeps everyone away. That way we can modify. Biograms are humors linked to the persons of history. I could tell Adam was the luckiest person in the world because he did not have mother-in-law. These are the ways we can incorporate, we can modify biograms, proverbs to inject humor. Next will be judging criteria. I will just go through it.
You have
We'll
time.
have
4
time.
minutes.
Yeah.
4 minutes.
4 minutes, okay. Judging criteria condense has, this is purely on the your humorous speech which you are going to deliver during the contest. Judging criteria, what are the criteria you need to know? What are the marks assigned for different aspects? Speech development, structure, opening body, support material, 15 marks. Effectiveness, this is the one I narrated to you earlier. Excitement, suspense, etc. 10 marks. Connections of humorous events, this also is very important. If we are injecting a humor or humorous story, make sure that it is relevant to the topic which you are telling the audience. And there should be some connections between the two humors which we are telling the audience. Speech value 15. Ideas, originality of thought. This is where we tell about ourselves. If we narrate the story of ourselves, that originality will be there, sincerity will be there, it will be reflected, we will be scoring on those. Material, audience response, this also is very important. Judges will be noting down how many times the humor response was there from the audience. So try to utilize maximum humors, practice very well, so that you can convey, you can transfer the audience effectively to the audience.
Right.
Delivery 30 points. Physical appearance, laughter, flexibility and volume, 10 marks. Manner, enthusiasm, assurance, again 10 marks. When comparing with the international speech contest, you will notice that in humorous speech, language is not having much importance. Only 15 marks are, but for international speech, you could see that high level of marking is allotted for that. If you go through it carefully, you will notice that in many of these aspects, humor plays an important role. Like audience response, originality of thoughts, connections of humor. Humor is very important. So we need to make sure that humor is injected between every short segment. We don't have to leave the audience blank. Every other minute we need to have humor. Contestants, best wishes. I hope many of you will be participating for the humorous contest, and I wish all of you every success. Any questions? Yes.
So the contest humorous speech duration is 5 to 7 minutes.
Yes. 5 to 7 minutes.
5 to
Like-
7 minutes.
Yeah.
So What is so how many words you recommend? Because if it's a humor, yes, we have to keep not like other speech. We have to leave some spare time for the audience. So what is the average length of the?
Yeah, it is a very good question. Compared to that other speeches, humorous, we need to, number of words should be a little bit lesser. Because as you are saying, we need to wait for the audience response. We need to have the pauses, effective pauses. So number of words we need to come down, make it a little bit shorter. That's a wonderful question. Yes. Anything else?
As a number, you can say.
Number we cannot, because it depends on what are the ingredients of your speech. Maybe you are showing one like object. You have to make sure that how many time you require for exhibiting that object and explaining that. So number correctly we cannot tell, but we can practice. After you draft your speech, practice well. Then only you will know. That is by practice.
From 600, I believe, to
No, normal speed and normal rate for man is 120 words per minute. We need to come down. It is better to be around 100 words per minute for a humorous speech. One more question. Last. Yes, sir.
Would we be able to have this presentation so we can have?
Yeah, I can send you through email.
I will collect from him and I will forward to all the members.
Definitely.
And one more question.
Yes,
Can
sir.
we upload the video in the website so our members can watch that?
No problem.
This video. Yeah.
Thank you very much once again. Wishing you all the best for the humorous contest.